Welcome to EDC Ideas. Today's topic: 10 amazing upgrades for your multi-tool. All the upgrades are original brand upgrades and not self-made versions. Let's start with the Victorinox Plus scales on my Victorinox Deluxe Tinker. I have added the Plus scales so I can carry in the scales different tools, a needle, a toothpick, tweezers and the Victorinox pen. The Victorinox SwissTool Spirit is one of my most used EDC tools. I really like the Spirit version because it's lightweight, and I really like this pocket clip. I've added the pocket clip on this tool. It's much more EDC friendly now. Let's move on to the next upgrade for your multi-tool. I really like this Victorinox Bit Kit. This is the version without the ratchet. You can add different bits and you see in the back the version without the bits. The next upgrade is the Victorinox Corkscrew with a screwdriver for your eyeglasses. You can add the Victorinox Corkscrew to your multi-tool and you get a great handle for your corkscrew. I really like the pouch of the Victorinox SwissTool Spirit. You find different pouches, for example this one or a nylon pouch, but my favorite pouch is the huge pouch for the Spirit that includes different compartments for the bit kit, for a bit extender and for the corkscrew. The last Victorinox upgrade in this selection is the Victorinox Firesteel. You can carry the Firesteel in the corkscrew and you can carry the tinder, it's the orange one. This little Firesteel shouldn't be your first option when it comes to a survival fire starting item, but it's a great backup version. I really like both Knipex Minis, the Knipex Plier wrench and the Knipex Cobra XS. They are very functional and high quality tools for EDC. I love this upgrade because this is the pouch for the minis and you can carry both pliers here. It's a high quality pouch and you can carry, for example, a flashlight in this loop. You have an excellent belt loop and you can carry the pouch closed and open for quick access. We talked about Victorinox upgrades. Let's go to the Leatherman tool upgrades. This is a Leatherman side clip, one of my favorite EDC tools. It's lightweight with an excellent tool set. And maybe you noticed before this little slot here. This slot here fits perfectly for the Leatherman Tool Adapter. This is a vintage Leatherman bit holder and you can set different ankles. The tool is high quality and well built. With this Leatherman Tool Adapter you have the bit perfectly centered. You find two versions of the Leatherman Tool Adapter. You find this one and you find the Universal Tool Adapter. Both tool adapters are made for different tools. On the right side you see the Leatherman Tool Adapter and on the left you see the Leatherman Wave or Leatherman Universal Tool Adapter. There are some differences for the different tools. These cool upgrades came in different boxes. You find the plastic case with a pocket clip, you find the plastic case without a pocket clip, and you find extremely cool vintage leather pouches for these upgrades. These tool adapters are discontinued and not longer available. And by the way, I really like the vintage box. You can upgrade your Leatherman Little Big Toolbox with this bit kit. The Leatherman Tool Adapter is the vintage option and the Leatherman Bit Kit is the modern version. Place the bit holder on the Leatherman Phillips head and you can use the Leatherman bits or the standard bits. The new Leatherman bit kits are fairly expensive, but I like them even when the quality of the bits is not perfect. You can carry a lot of bits in small space with light weight because the bits are extremely slim and double-headed. And the bit kit has a fairly unknown function. In the slots you can carry 2 standard bits too, to upgrade your upgrade kit. You also find larger Leatherman bit kits without this bit holder. There is no bit holder because some Leatherman tools have a bit holder or a bit adapter included, for example the Leatherman charge. Let's move on to the last upgrade. This is a pocket clip for the Leatherman charge. I really like the charge, I actually can't find it, but I carry my charge with a pocket clip. Please like and subscribe and let me know what's your favorite multi-tool upgrade.